Hello everyone and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now, with the weather getting a little bit warmer outside and with the upcoming release of Avengers Endgame, I thought it'd be a great time to show you guys a little recipe on how to make Stark Raving Hazelnuts ice cream from Avengers Infinity War. Okay, so I know what you're saying. You're saying, Chef Matt, you literally already did this video before. And I did. But, just like Tony Stark, I find that there's always little upgrades you can make, and I went back and I actually redid the video with a little bit better editing and a little bit better of a recipe. So we're going to call this one Stark Raving Hazelnuts Mark II. Okay, now, best part, we're going to make the smoothest, most delicious ice cream you've ever eaten, from liquid to frozen, in less than 5 minutes. We're not even going to use an ice cream maker at all. We're going to do all this in a standing mixer. Don't believe me? Give me 3 minutes of your time, and I'm going to show you some kitchen magic that you're going to love. Let's do this.